Fortunately, serious accidents and incidents on the Broads are very rare. Watching these videos will help you avoid the most common mistakes that lead to accidents. In this video, we will tell you the steps to follow if your boat is involved in a collision which has caused injury or damage to any boat or property. Treat the process as you would if you were involved in a car accident. Deal with any injuries or danger to life first, then assess any damage and report it as quickly as possible. The first priority is to immediately deal with anyone who is injured or has fallen into the water. It's very easy to fall in, following even a minor impact if you're not holding onto the boat. Our Man Overboard video provides instructions on dealing with someone in the water. In an emergency, call 999 immediately and ask for the Coast Guard. You'll need to provide your precise location. We recommend using the What 3 Words app. You should also follow this advice if you have a medical emergency or someone becomes seriously ill whilst on the water. In the event of damage, try and obtain as many details as possible of the boats and people involved, such as names, contact numbers, boat names, hire company names, and boat registration numbers. Note the time, location, and circumstances of the incident. Take photographs if possible. If you are in a remote area, use What 3 Words to pinpoint your exact location. All of this information will make it easier to report the incident and deal with any insurance claims. As with a car accident, you are legally obliged to report an incident that has caused injury or damage as soon as it is safe to do so, and in the Broads you should do this by informing Broads Control. This is very important in the extremely rare event that the incident is causing an ongoing obstruction or danger for other river users, such as sinking boats, fires, damaged quay headings, or pollution of the water from contaminants like oil or fuel. You should also inform your hire boat company of any incident that has caused damage to any boat or property. Only attempt to move your boat away from the scene once you have checked that everyone is okay, inspected for damage to boats and property, and reported the incident appropriately. If emergency services have attended, they will advise you when it is safe to leave the scene. You can also contact Broads Control or Broads Beat police officers to report any potentially dangerous, criminal or antisocial behaviour on the water. Again, it is important that you note as much detail as possible, including location, dates and times, name and registration number of the boats involved, so that the Broads National Park rangers and police can take appropriate action. Clear photographs and video can be very helpful. Broads Control is staffed between the hours of 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. during summer and 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. during winter. You should contact Broads Control by phoning 01603 756 056, emailing broads.control@broads-authority.gov.uk. Norfolk Police Broads Beat officers can be called by dialling 101. The email address is broadsbeat@norfolk.pnn.police.uk. Never rely solely on social media accounts to report incidents to Broads Control or Broads Beat, as these accounts are not monitored around the clock and you may not get an immediate response.
Make the most of your boating holiday with the Richardson's Boating Holidays app. From planning routes and checking journey times to discovering hidden gems and mooring spots, the Richardson's Boating Holidays app does it all. Download now and unlock everything you need for an unforgettable Broads National Park adventure.